Good morning, students. Welcome to the St. Mary School, Nagina. Myself, Priya, and I hope you all are fit and fine. Today, I'll be taking your mole science class. So, this is your book, Gems for Life, published by Progress Publishers, class 3rd. So, these are the contents from lesson 1 to 10, and today I will teach you lesson 1, God is Love. Let's start lesson number 1, God is Love. And today I will explain you about this lesson, so listen it carefully. Once a king called upon all his ministers and counselors together. एक दिन राजा ने एक सभा बुलाई जिसमें सभी काउंसलर्स और मिनिस्टर्स उपस्थित हुए. Do you know, students, why? Because he wanted to give a name to God. क्योंकि वो ईश्वर को एक नाम देना चाहते थे. All the ministers started thinking, what is the name of God? सभी सोच में पड़ गए, भगवान का नाम क्या है, क्या रखें. One of the ministers stood up and said, can we call him eternal wisdom? It means शाश्वत ज्ञान, because God is the source of all knowledge. Another minister stood up and said, can we call him Almighty? It means a complete power, a name or title given to God, because he is eternal goodness. Another minister stood up and said, can we call him omnipresent? Because God is present everywhere. क्योंकि भगवान हर जगह उपस्थित है. But king was not happy with the suggested names, which reflect God's nature. राजा को वो सभी नाम पसंद नहीं आए जो भी मंत्रियों ने बताए थे. At last, the oldest minister stood up and said, how will it be if we call God with the name love? ओल्डेस्ट मिनिस्टर ने कहा कि अगर हम भगवान का नाम लव रखें तो कैसा रहेगा. All liked this name and started clapping together. And they said, yes, love is the name of God. The king gave so many gifts to old minister. Students, in Holy Bible is also given God is love. God has given us many gifts in the form of flowers, trees, birds, butterflies, rivers, oceans, garden and wood, and many more. God created us in his own image and likeness. He has given us many talents and abilities. बहुत सारी योग्यताएं उन्होंने हमें दी हैं. The ability to study, the ability to play, sing, dance, paint, walk, love, and many more. All these are the gifts of God to us. God has given us good parents, brother and sister also. He has given us good teachers to teach, good friends to play and enjoy. भगवान ने हमें हमारे माता पिता, ब्रदर और सिस्टर्स दिए. उन्होंने हमें अच्छे अध्यापक दिए हैं जो हमें अच्छी राह पे ले जाते हैं, अच्छी सीख देते हैं. उन्होंने हमें अच्छे फ्रेंड्स दिए हैं जिनके साथ हम एंजॉय करते हैं, प्ले करते हैं, गेम खेलते हैं। दे आर ऑल द सिंबल्स ऑफ गॉड्स लव। स्टूडेंट्स, is it enough that we experience God's love? So let us love God in return for His love. How can we say that we love God? हम कैसे कह सकते हैं कि हम भगवान से प्यार करते हैं? By praying in front of Him. First of all, we should join our hands, close our eyes, and pray in our words, "Oh dear God, I love you." Students, there are many great people in the world who could experience God's love. And today I will tell you about a young boy named Kuriakose, born in Kerala on February 10, 1805. He loved God very much, and his mother was a pious woman. She taught baby Kuriakose how to love God. She used to pray to God every morning and night. वो भगवान की पूजा किया करती थी सुबह और शाम। ऐसे ही कुरियाकोस जैसे बड़े होते गए, वो भी अपने मदर के साथ भगवान की पूजा करते थे और उन्हें प्रेम करते थे। He loved God very much and he considered God as his dad. He loved God as he loved his own dad. जैसे वो अपने पिता को प्रेम करते थे, ऐसे ही वो अपने भगवान को प्रेम करते थे। Students, I hope you enjoyed this story and understood this story. Here, small prayer is given. You can say after me, "You are my Father, in you I live, in you I move, and in you I work, and in you and in you." Students, here God is love written. You have to shade this one. Now come to page number 7. Here you can see a beautiful landscape which is created by God. Listen students, you have to make it more beautiful by doing color in it. In homework. Do only in books. Now come to question answer. Question number 1. What was the name given to God by the oldest minister? Yes, students. What was the name? Yes, love. Love was the name given to God by the oldest minister. Second one is, do you believe in God's love towards you? The answer is yes. I believe in God's love. Question number 3. Write any 4 loving gifts God has given you. Students, I have written here 4 gifts. You can write your own, which you like most. First one is the flowers, the oceans, the rivers, and the trees. Now come to page number 8. Here you have to write the talents which God has given you. 3 already given: ability to read, to think, to walk. Now write here in the rest of the part, in 4th part, ability to dance. 5th, ability to paint. 6th, ability to smile. 7th, ability to play. 8th, ability to love. 9th, ability to sing. 10th, ability to write. Students, you have to complete your work in books and copies in a good handwriting. Thank you very much. Keep learning and stay safe at home.